with your hoe again. I'm back out of town, I had a show again.
His upper teeth and his bottom teeth got gaps in it.
Yeah.
You like you eat butt, nigga.
Send that bitch.
Can you shut the fuck up?
They so slick.
And I would have never stopped.
You would have sent it? You would have sent it?
Bro, I would have went and never stopped.
Oh, we can say. That's the little worms right there, nigga. That's the worms. That rack shit right there, man. Don't get no better than that.
Hey, y'all lit though.
Don't get no better than that, bro.
Yeah, we still outside. We still lit. Doing our shit, you know. Hey, he was finna walk that bitch down the street.
Oh, nigga, that's how you do that shit. You walk that
He was finna walk it down the street. Hey, OG hating though. Hey, OG over there hating. He's told him stop. Hey,
it ain't the oldie, so
man, he tripping, gang. He was about to walk that bitch down the street. Keep going, gang. Keep doing your shit.
Hey, it's that bitch though.
Yeah.
Walking that bitch down there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna walk that motherfucker. He walked the shit out of that motherfucker. Just told that bitch.
Man, that shit let him
Y'all gonna put your dirty ass car this way.
Man, I'm old ass tripping, boy.
Man, this shit let his ass keep going, man.
We was about to walk it down the whole street. No cap.
Damn.
As y'all can see, it's day of the pit. We outside. Trying to put these damn tires on because this motherfucker wet as shit. We've been over here for like damn near an hour trying to get these bitches on. Nigga over torqued the shit out them lugs.
Hey, lift this up, son. Hey, jack it up to me. No more.
About to be at the pit though. We gonna see what the fuck they talking about over there. Hopefully the ground not too wet and shit, cause this is not it. Tire bald as a motherfucker. Woo.
Passenger, you know, if they're in your car, they got liability to sue.
Yeah, for sure.
Good shit. That's what's up. Good shit.
Yeah, we gotta be safe, huh? Yeah.
All time. You know,
So,
we don't want nobody trying to tax you
hell yeah.
for they misconduct.
Yeah, these cars too nice for all that.
Too nice for that.
Yeah,
we out here having a good time, fellas.
For
I'm glad y'all pulled up.
For
Y'all in
sure.
this motherfucking thing. Boy, look,
We got
man,
priorities.
I'm tired of looking at it, man. This my boy.
Yeah, my boy.
This motherfucker bad, boy. Y'all do y'all thing, be safe. We out here. We out in Indiana. We doing our thing.
Yeah.
We having a good time.
For sure.
Holla at your boy.
Hell
Shayv
yeah.
Visuals. Check them out.
Yes,
Y'all
sir.
enjoy it. Spin out. Y'all gotta show these them white boys that was in that BMW. They did they motherfucking thing, boy.
Oh,
That's
damn.
snake.
Shit,
He was out
word.
there acting a dog.
Oh, we
Gotta
got
show
dog.
me something, fam.
We got
Don't even
dog.
spin.
Yeah.
Man, be safe. Enjoy yourself. It's food. It's drinks.
Yeah.
I don't know about weed, but it's food, it's drinks, and we're gonna have a good time.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Real shit.
Appreciate it.
It's food, it's drinks, nigga,
You know,
real shit.
you know the crazy thing about it? They never checked our tickets.
God. Didn't even fuck around. He fuck with us because he fuck with the car.
Yeah,
We got some fixing to do first. I got some.
Right here.
Damn, fuck! Got all of this shit.
he fucked my shit up. No, he cool though. I fuck with him. He cool. It's cool though, bro. It's cool though, bro. I can go 30s in the washer or something. Hey, first one today. My shit fucked up, nigga. Look at these. Oh
yeah, that was done.
Look at your shit,
Nigga, these is Allen Iverson's game.
I'm
Like,
talking about your pants.
I'm not worried about these pants. I got like 3 different pants that's green like this.
Bro, I ain't gonna hold this look. He look
Plus,
tough.
shit,
Look like
I
some
could
cookies
just
and cream.
fucking customize these
It
bitches.
look tough. Hey, I should be a new designer, huh? You came out with these bitches. The cookies and cream?
Nigga, some cookie and cream
The cookies and cream? Hey, these hoes hard.
Hell no.
Hey, that 5'7" this thing, what you give it? Up or down?
Like 1 out of 10?
Yeah.
I get a 7. So, smooth 7.
First ever strike Cybertruck? Strike Cybertruck? First ever strike Cybertruck.
Cybertruck strike.
I didn't even get a strike Cybertruck though.
Big cat, nigga. Yeah.
Nah, bro, the fucking rocks and then his exhaust was
Bro,
hot
you
as
see
shit.
that big ass rock?
Look at this shit, look.
I'm jumping that hood, nigga. My vert like 20 inches. Stop the cap. Let that motherfucker come near me. Johnny's out here for real. Trying to get me mad. The pit all dry now. You feel me? And like, what's up? Where you at?
Got him. We fucking got him.
What? So where you at?
Shit, my time coming, gang. My time coming. Hold on. I'm trying to make sure that this bitch dry up some before I get out there.
fuck they doing up there? We not up in there, dude. We gotta do shit.
That's the block.
They ass go. They ass taking forever and shit.
I care about my shit. You feel me? I care about my shit.
Are we in that bitch?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Waiting on my nigga Gio. Come on.
How you feel, Nate?
Oh, that shit just got weak. Crazy. This nigga. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm gonna have to go to a chiropractor after that shit.
This nigga,
Bro, that's the shit that we was saying earlier, bro. That shit did not want to fucking shift, nigga. Like, we slide all fucking day, nigga. Like, we slide all day. Why the fuck that shit don't want to shift? I don't know. That shit just got crazy.
I'm thinking you was about to ball up. I ain't gonna lie, so
Oh, no, I'll never let my car ball up. Fuck no. I'll never let my car ball up.
It was about 6 near misses, but you know shit.
Bro,
ain't ball up,
it was about 6 near misses. No cap. But that shit did not want to fucking shift, bro. That shit did not want to fucking shift.
Hey, dog, I used to do
At least you got wide a few times.
Oh, God.
I'm sorry you ain't rolled back. I was up.
Bro, I was trying to roll back. I really think it's text nigga ass. We gonna go again, bro. We gotta go again, bro.
Hey, real Chevy nigga shit.
Call walk.
This the SS?
Call walk.
Real Chevy nigga shit, yeah.
Better than Mopar.
That's why I better. That's why I better.
Let me see you tip over. Do your big one, gang.
Do a Willie on that. Hey, smack the crowd. Smack the crowd. Run into somebody. Get back, get back, get back, get back.
Yeah! Let's go! Oh, shit! All right, you rolling back, you rolling back.
Stack Squad, we is back at the crib now. We just left the rack and we are now back at the crib. And I wanted to give y'all a proper outro because I feel like I haven't in forever. These legal trips have been real fun. I've been to all the big ones, Jacksonville, NC, Atlanta, and now the rack. Tomorrow we head out for Atlanta, West RT Polo, and Quan. If y'all like more of these legal pit videos, make sure to let me know down below because I can really record it for y'all and upload it for y'all too. And say thank y'all for all the supporters. Y'all been treating me real good. Y'all been blowing shit up, and that shit do not go unnoticed. I'm forever blessed for that. But I ain't gonna waste y'all times. Until the next vid, appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Staxks out.